Hi, this is JoJo Maths. Today we can see the exercise 1.1 of the chapter 1 real numbers. Third question. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So in this problem we are given two groups, that is one group is army contingent which consists of 616 members, and the other group is an army band which consists of 32 members. So here they are given one condition. This members, army contingent 616 members, have to march behind this 32 members, but also they have to, these two groups have to march in the same number of columns. And in this problem we are going to find the maximum number of columns in which they are going to march. First one, this 616 members have to march behind this 32 members, and both the groups have to march in same number of columns. We are going to find the maximum number of columns in which they are going to march. So in order to find the maximum number of columns, it is enough to find the HCF between these two numbers by using our Euclid's division algorithm. So we can see the solution. So in order to find the maximum number of columns, it is enough to find the HCF of the given two numbers, that is 616 and 32. Okay, so by using Euclid's division algorithm, so in order to consider Euclid's division algorithm, we should take any two positive integers. Let it be C and D. In order to apply Euclid's division algorithm, we should consider any two positive integers C and D with one condition: the integer C should be greater than this integer D. So here our integer 616 is greater than the integer 32. So obviously our C should be 616 and our D should be integer 32. Okay, so now we are going to apply Euclid's division algorithm to these two integers. Applying Euclid's division algorithm to these two integers 616 and 32. That is, we can write this 616 equal to 32 into Q plus R. Since in Euclid's division algorithm we write C is equal to D into Q plus R. So here our C is 616 and our D is 32. So 616 equal to 32 into Q plus R. So in order to find the value of Q and R, we are going to divide this integer 616 by 32. So one time 32, we get the remainder as 29. So bring the 6 down. So 8 times, and we get 6, 5, 2, remainder 4. Here the Q value is 18 and the R value is 40. So substituting the values of Q and R in this equation, then we get 616 equal to 32 into Q value is 18 and our R value is 40. See here our R value is 40, which is not equal to 0. If it is 0 means then we can stop the process, but here our R value is, that is 40, which is not equal to 0, then means we have to continue the process. That is, we are going to apply the Euclid's division algorithm again to the numbers 32 and 40. But here 40, the integer 40 is greater than 32. Since our C should be greater than D. Here 40 is greater than 32. So obviously here our C is 40 and our D is 32. So now again we are going to apply Euclid's division algorithm to these two integers C and D, that is 40 and 32. So we can write this integer 40 is equal to D into Q, that is 32 into Q plus R. So in order to find the value of Q and R, we have to divide this integer 40 by 32. So 1 time 32, get the remainder as 8. So here 1 is the value of Q and 8 is the value of R. So substituting these two values of Q and R in this equation, we get 40 equal to 32 into Q is 1 plus the remainder value is 8. Here also our R value is 8, which is not equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. Okay, here also our R value, which is equal to 8, not equal to 0. Then means again we have to continue the process, that is again we are going to apply the Euclid's division algorithm to these two integers 32 and 8. Okay, here, but here 32 is greater than 8 now, so our C should be 32 and our D is 8. So we can write this C value 32 equal to D into Q, that is 8 into Q plus R. So in order to find the value of Q and R, we have to divide the integer 32 by 8. Here 4 times, so 32 0. So here 4 is the Q value and R is 0. So now substituting the values of Q and R in the equation, that is 32 equal to, divisor is 8 into Q value 4 plus R value 0. So here our R value equal to 0. That means we can stop the process, and the D value at this stage, that is D value at this stage is the HCF of the given numbers 616 and 32. That is HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. So therefore the number of columns, the maximum number of columns they march is equal to 8. Thank you.